How to delete Spotify account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how to delete your Spotify account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you would like to delete your Spotify account, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Spotify app. Once you launch the Spotify app, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side. And then on this page, you want to scroll and then look for the option called support. So just go ahead and then look for the option called support at the bottom. Just tap on it once you find them. Once you find the support option and tap on it, you'll be taken to the support center, which is the help page. And then you can also see the search box most likely. Just tap on it. And then here, you want to simply type in closing account. So just go ahead and then type in the keyword called closing. And you'll find this search article that simply comes up while you type. It's called closing your account and deleting something. So just tap on this text or this article and you'll be taken to this page. Now there are two ways to delete your account. One is if you have a premium account, then you can tap on the close your account at the first link, or if you do not have a premium account, then you can tap on the close your account at the bottom link. Or what you need to do is, in my case I do not have a premium, so I'll just go to the option called close your account. And once you go to the close your account page, you'll be taken to this page. First, make sure to sign into your Spotify account. It will ask you to confirm with the password, and once you've done so, you'll be able to successfully delete your Spotify account. And that is basically how you can delete your Spotify account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.